Hello students, I am Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 5 Chapter 1 Super Senses. Students, what can you see in this picture? You can see there is a bird flying. Okay, the children are eating tiffin and the bird has taken away their food from the tiffin. Then there is a dog. Okay, and he's sleeping. The boy is thinking the dog is sleeping, but the dogs, they have very sharp ears. Okay, and even if small noise, they suddenly get up. Okay, if you must have seen that if you drop something sweet on the ground, in a few minutes there are many ants near the food item. How do the ants come to know that there is something sweet on the ground? Okay, how do they come to know? Because animals have super senses. Okay, just like human beings, animals also have different senses, like they can see, they can hear, they can taste, and they can smell and feel. Some animals can see their food, that is prey, from far away, like kite. From a far distance in the sky, they fly in the sky, right? They can see something like mice on the ground and they come and take it from the ground. How can a kite see to at such a far distance? Because it has a super sense of sight. Okay, animals have amazing senses of smell. Ants, have you seen ants? They all move in a line. If there is some sweet or a food item on the ground, the ants move in a line. How do they come to know which path is to be followed? When ants find some food, they leave a smell on the ground, and the other ants follow the smell, and in this way they move in a line. Okay, have you seen this? Okay. Now carefully, without harming the ants, block their path for a while with a pencil. And then you will observe that the ants, they cannot find their path. Right? So in this way, animals have a super sense of smell. There are other animals also, like mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, they can smell your blood, they can smell your body, and they come to know that where you are. Okay, and they come and bite you. Some male insects can recognize their females by the smell. Okay, mosquitoes can find smell of your body. They can smell the sole of your feet, and they can even feel the heat of your body. So these are the amazing super senses that animals have. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What does it do actually? Dogs mark their own areas, okay, with their urine, and other dogs cannot come in their area. Okay, they have their own area because they have a super sense of smell. What do you know about dogs? For what purposes this super sense of dog is used by human beings? Human beings keep dogs as pet. Have you seen? And even dogs are used by police. Why do police use dogs? They use dogs in order to find the thieves, or if there is any crime, then the police or the CID inspectors, they use these dogs in order to find out what has happened, because these dogs have the super sense of smell. And in this way, the super sense of dog is helpful to human beings, right? And in this picture you can see there is a lady named Rajini. She had to go for some important work, and she had to leave her 6-month old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. But Sushila also has a baby of the same age, And it was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. Okay, she happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta, scarf. Why did she do that? She did that because she was used to clean her own baby and she didn't feel it dirty, right? But when she had to clean her sister's son, she felt it dirty. So, the things which you feel dirty, you feel it smell also dirty. Okay. Have you seen birds? The most of the birds, they have their eyes on either side of the head. Okay, their eyes can focus on two different things at the same time, and when they look straight ahead, both their eyes can focus on the same object. So they often keep moving their neck so that they can see the different objects, because their eyes are fixed, they cannot move their eyes, so they turn their heads to see around. Okay, in this way the birds, they have different types of sights. Some birds like eagles, owl, kites, they have very sharp sight of sharp sense of sight. They can see far away. They can see their prey which is at a far distance, and they can come and catch their prey. Okay, some birds like kites, eagles, vultures, they can see 4 times as far as we can. Okay, and it helps them to catch their prey, that is their food. And do you think all animals can see all colors? Animals which are awake in the daytime, they can see all the colors, but there are some animals which remain awake at the night time. Which are the animals which are awake at night time? Like rats and cockroach, they can see only 2 colors, that is black and white. They cannot see all the colors. The animals which remain awake at night time, they can see the things only in black and white colors. Okay, some animals have a super sense of hearing, like elephants. In this picture you can see an elephant. It has big ears, very big ears. Their ears are bigger than our ears, and they have a very sharp sense of hearing. Okay, then what about snakes? How do they understand what is where they have to go, or how they have to move? Do you think they can hear properly? Actually, snakes, they don't hear, they only feel the vibrations on the ground. Okay, and some animals like this, in this picture you can see high up on a tree there is a langur. They warn each other of the dangers. Okay, like a tiger or leopard, they give special warning calls to the other animals. Birds also give alarm calls in order to warn other animals about the other birds about the danger. Okay, that is called the warning call, which is given in order to inform the other animals about the danger or the enemies. Fishes also give alarm calls by electric signals, right? And do you know, children, that when there is before there is a disaster like earthquake or a storm, animals come to know it before human beings. How do they come to know? Because they have a super sense, they can feel the vibrations in the earth, and they start behaving in an abnormal manner. Okay, and in this way, even human being, by the behavior of abnormal behavior of the animals, we come to know about the disasters like earthquakes, storms. Okay, even fishes, They give warning signals to the other fishes in the ponds, rivers. Even dolphins make different sounds to give messages to each other, right? And they have their own language which only they understand. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language or sound by giving messages. Do you do this in the class? When the teacher is going to come, then you give some, you have some signals which you tell your friends that a teacher is coming, right? Don't you? Okay. Sleeping patterns. Some animals have different sleeping patterns. They sleep in a particular season. They go into a deep sleep, long sleep. You have seen in winter season you cannot see lizards. Why you cannot see lizards in winter season? Because they are in the phase of a deep sleep. Okay, and you cannot see them in your house. Here you can see an animal called sloth. This is a sloth. It looks like a bear, but it is not a bear. It is a sloth. It spends almost 17 hours of a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. Upside down means in the inverted position. And the sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It does not need anything else, and it hardly comes down. It moves to the nearby tree if the leaves get over from that tree, and it lives only for about 40 years, and in that 40 years it comes down only 8. It comes down and it moves only to 8 trees. Okay, once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. See, here are the sleeping patterns of different animals. Here in this picture you can see there are different patterns of lizard, right? Sloth, sleeping time for sloth, sleeping time for lizard, cow, python, giraffe, cat. Okay, and now here, what is this animal? Can you recognize this animal? Yes, it is a tiger. And a tiger has very sharp super senses. It has a sharp super sense of sight. It can see to at a far distance. And its whiskers are also very sensitive. Okay, it can sense the movements of vibrations in the air. Its whiskers can sense the vibrations in air, which helps the tiger to move in the dark and find its prey. And tiger's sense of hearing is also very amazing. It has a sharp sense of hearing, and so it can move to different directions to catch the sounds from all around. Tigers can make different sounds for different purposes. Okay, its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. And just like a dog, the tiger also marks its own area by the smell of the urine. Okay, a tiger will avoid going into other tigers' area. It has its own area. And the tiger is one of the most alert animals. Okay, but what do you think the number of tigers, why is the number of tigers in our country going down? It's reducing because tigers are killed for their skin by hunters. Many animals are killed for different purposes. For example, the elephants are killed for its tusk, that is its teeth. Then some animals are killed for its fur. Snakes are also killed for its skin. And musk deer is killed to make scent from its musk, right? So in this way some animals are killed by human beings. The people who kill animals are called hunters and poachers. And do you know, children, that it is not good to kill animals because the number of these animals is going down. That is, these are the endangered species, and if this happens, the balance of the environment will be lost, and all the animals will be in danger. So you should not kill animals. Government has made a law to not kill animals. If you are killing animals, you will be punished. There is a law for such act. And to protect the animals, our government has made some forests as protected areas. Some of them are the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. So you should not kill animals. We should protect animals. We should conserve wildlife. Okay? Thank you.